Okay, this is Weather Outlook. This is your update on Wednesday, July 9th through the 12th. It's a 5-day forecast for central Pennsylvania. Now, these are your temperatures Wednesday evening, that's the 9th. And you can see they're basically 70s. A few 80 areas are still in the 80s, but some rain and some showers have moved in. And I can show you that right here where they're at. You can see even a couple of thunderstorms embedded into this around 7 o'clock, and they'll be moving off to the east and to the north. But basically, they'll be south of Route 80 until they get up towards northeastern PA when they start to curve in a little bit. This is around 9 o'clock this evening. Here's 10, here's 11, here's 12, here's 1, and then they're kind of gone except for a couple sprinkles and some showers around. As we get towards the morning hours, temperatures will reflect the fact that it's been a little chilly, but not too bad. Basically, 70s for most of the area in Bradford. Of course, 69. You got to be different up there. And as we go during the day on Thursday, you can see temperatures. This is around about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures get into the mid 80s along the Susquehanna River Valley there, and even out by State College into the 80s. Elsewhere, the higher elevations are in the upper 70s. And if you look down to the south there, you can see all these 80s and down here. And then all of a sudden, as you look further to the south, north of the Mason-Dixon line, you can see temperature in the 70s. And again, that's basically because there's a thunderstorm down there. And that's why that's. And we also have some thunderstorms moving in from the northwest, but they don't stay together very well. Bradford's getting one. This is around 5 in the afternoon. And then, as you can see, it doesn't hold well. There's a couple of showers to the north. They're kind of scattered all over the state overnight, Thursday night into Friday. And then as we get into Friday during the day, you got a little bit breaks out in the central part of the state. But what it's going to be is just enough to pop a couple pop up thunderstorms here, and in the afternoon, and again, that's around 3, 4 o'clock, and you can see they kind of work their way to the northeast. They This is the evening hours around 5, and you can see them move away. And what's left around Friday night into Saturday is some widely scattered showers, drizzles, sprinkles, whatever you want to call it. And then on Saturday, it all moves south for the most part. This is around 3 in the afternoon. You got one down here around York, but that's where it's kind of limited until we get a little further out in time. It gets around 4, and you can see a little thunderstorm pops up here. This is still hanging around south of Lancaster by Coralville. And basically, what's hanging on now, since showers and thunderstorms, is fairly in the southern part of our viewing area. And but there's still clouds to the north, and that's what's going to keep your temperatures on Saturday a little bit down a little bit. Here's your Saturday temperatures. Again, late in the afternoon, you know, upper 70s, mid 70s to around the 80 would be your best bet. Maybe if you get a little more sun, they can rise a little bit, but that's kind of where you're at. All right, everybody take care and be safe.